Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Understanding Life. Please subscribe our channel for latest updates.
Hello students, welcome once again. So in this period we'll be discussing about the elements of weather, and one element we'll be discussing today. Now, to know the difference between weather and climate, please scroll down and see the previous video in this same playlist where I have discussed the difference between weather and climate. Now here we'll be discussing about the weather. So weather is the atmospheric condition of a given area at given time. This weather depends on various components which are called as the elements of weather, such as temperature, pressure, wind, condensation, precipitation, humidity, and most importantly, all these elements are interconnected to each other. So change in one element is more likely to have impact on the other element. So see, which element of weather is discussed here? It's very cold out there. Yes, cold is there. It is pleasant, it's mild, feeling very warm. It's very hot. So which element you think is discussed here? Yes, correct. This is the temperature. Basically, temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of air at any given time. So the measure of heat present in your surrounding is the temperature. A measure of warmth or coldness of an object or substance with reference to some standard value is the temperature. How temperature influences us? In hot season, you'll be feeling hot, you'll be wearing these clothes, and you'll be carving to drink more water, whereas in cold you'll be wearing sweaters, hot soups, hot food you will eat. And it also affect the other element like humidity and precipitation. If temperature increases, the humidity will decrease, and if temperature decreases, the precipitation in the form of water will decrease. So at normal temperature, the precipitation in the form of water will be there, rain will be there. But if temperature falls 0 degrees Celsius, the precipitation will change. So look at the given temperature at different places on 24th of May 2020 at 11 p.m. So in Kolkata, West Bengal, the temperature is 29 degrees. In Gangtok, Sikkim, it is 18 degrees. In Mumbai, it's 30 degrees. And in Shimla, it is 15 degrees. So what this tells you? The temperature changes from place to place. Now, does temperature varies from season to season? Yes, it will vary from season to season. Sun is the major source of heat on earth. We receive heat from the sun in the form of solar radiation. Do you feel earth absorbs all the radiated heat? No. Earth absorbs very small part of radiated heat, and the solar radiation that is received by earth are called as insolation. So this image tells us the incoming rays which are absorbed by the surface of earth, by greenhouse gases, and by clouds, whereas clouds and surface do reflect some amount of heat. The heat is emitted from the surface of Earth, from greenhouse gases. Emission can also be from clouds, water vapors, and CO2. So this image tells us the entire dynamics of heat present on the Earth. So as the Earth is inclined, the amount of heat given to entire Earth is not similar always. On equator, more number of sun rays fall on a given area, so more heat is given to the equator, and as we move away from the equator towards the pole, the sun rays become inclined, and given number of sun rays cover large area, so they give less heat towards the pole, and that's why we had more heat at the equator, or equators are hot and the poles are very cold. So amount of insolation is the maximum near the equator, and it decreases with increase in the latitude. The amount of insolation not only differs from place to place, but also from time to time. Insolation is influenced by factors such as inclination of sun rays and duration of daytime. How to measure the temperature? Can you name this instrument? Yes, absolutely correct. It is thermometer. Now, Celsius and Fahrenheit, these are two commonly used scales for measuring the temperature. Now, in Celsius scale, the freezing point is 0 degrees Celsius and boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius, whereas in Fahrenheit, the freezing point is 32 Fahrenheit and boiling point is 212 Fahrenheit, and this is the conversion. If you want to convert Celsius into Fahrenheit, so Celsius is equal to Fahrenheit minus 32 multiplied by 5 divided by 9, and Fahrenheit is equal to Celsius multiplied by 9 divided by 5 plus 32. So this is it for this period. I hope you could understand the temperature. If you have any doubt, please ask in the comment section. Thank you.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel, Understanding Life. Click on bell icon for latest updates. Save nature, save future.